start? Yeah. Hi, my name is Sevi and I'm here with...
I'm Kayla Bass.
We're here interviewing her questions about her business that she opened. Why do you want to start this business?
I actually started this 3 years ago out of my home. I am a stay-at-home mom, and we couldn't afford to do any extracurricular activities as far as birthday cakes, so I just decided to make them myself. And my business just grew from there, from family and friends saying, you should really start selling your cakes. So it just took off, and I actually just opened this last Friday from being in my home for 3 years, so it's been great.
What are you most excited for being in Great Valley?
Well, the community has been overwhelmingly supportive. The community has just really shown up. Where I know that Green Valley is really big in supporting small businesses, so I'm really excited just to be more involved with the community and being a part of it.
What's your favorite thing to make?
Personalized cakes. I love doing mini cakes. They're like tiny little 4-inch cakes that you can just take home and take a fork to it. They're really fun to make.
Nice, thank you.